Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing my chibi version of Jax from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. We'll start with a curve up and down on the left, and then the same thing on the right. And then close off the bottom of each eye with a curve across. Next, inside, let's draw a line down, and then color both of the right sections in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve across, and then a larger curve underneath. Now let's move inside and let's draw the teeth. We'll start with a line down the center, and then two on either side. Now that we're done the face, let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's draw a circle around. Now on the top left, let's draw the first ear by drawing a large curve up and back down. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw two curves down for the sides of the body. And now let's hop inside and add the details. On the top left, let's draw a curve down and out, and the same on the right. Then let's hop inside and let's draw two small curves down and a line across at the bottom. And now on both sides, let's add a small circle for the buttons. Now underneath, let's add the pocket. We'll start with a curve across in the middle, then curve it down on both sides, and then close off the bottom. Next, let's hop to the sides and add the arms. We'll start with two angled lines out from both sides. Then at the ends, let's add an oval. Now for the hands, we'll start from the bottom and let's draw a curve. And then a larger curve for the rest of the hands. And then add two curved lines inside for the fingers. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back in and draw the legs. Let's start from the sides and let's draw a curve down. Then let's move to the middle and let's draw a curve up and back down. Now at the end of each leg, let's draw a curved rectangle shape. Next, underneath, let's draw the feet. Let's start from the inside and let's draw a set of curves down, and then a curve down from the outside. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And lastly, inside, let's draw two curves at the ends. And that's it for Chibi Jax. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!